The NEET exam is coming up soon, and every candidate is religiously taking mock tests to check where they stand amongst their peers. Mock test results are like a roller coaster ride. Sometimes you get a great score and sometimes a low score. But what insights are you deriving from these scores apart from being qualified or not based on last year's cutoff? The mock test you take should help you make the right decisions to optimize your effort to score more with least effort and not just tell you where you stand against the competition. Like, for example, the preparation strategy that you can execute right now until the final exam, and the answering strategy that you should adopt in the next exam to see an improved score. Let me explain further with the case of Aditi, who took the mock test on the Examply platform and scored 133 marks out of 720. The Examply platform gives very useful, personalized, actionable insights that no other platform in the world can give. It gives you these three sets of exclusive insights: your true score, which is your current level of preparation, your preparation strategy insights, which is how you should be preparing in the run up to the exam, and your attempt strategy insights, which is the strategy you should employ during your exam. Let's deep dive further and understand how exam play helped Aditi. Whenever you answer any question, there are only three ways you can arrive at an answer choice. First way is through knowledge or applying a formula. Second way, through the process of elimination from the answer options. Third way, Jai Mata Di, by randomly guessing the answer. Your overall score is a result of picking an answer choice through one of these three ways. Aditi has also used these three ways to answer her mock test, and she scored 133 out of 720. A deeper analysis reveals that Aditi answered 122 out of 180 questions. And for the 122 answered questions, 44 questions were using knowledge of formulae, 55 questions through process of elimination, and 23 questions were randomly picked. Her overall accuracy is only 41.8%, and maximum accuracy is when she uses elimination as her answering strategy. She got 71 questions wrong, and what is alarming is that 30 of those 71 she solved using formulae or knowledge, and she still got them wrong. That means for these 30 questions, she either made a silly mistake or is carrying wrong understanding of the subject matter, and she needs to immediately attend to those subjects to stop losing her score. As NEET has negative marking, had Aditi carefully avoided answering those 30 questions in the first place, she could have gained 30 marks without any effort. So her true score could have been 163 instead of 133, and she would have qualified for this test. So Aditi should know which question to avoid answering and what topics she should learn, unlearn, and relearn, the right way to avoid making such mistakes. That is where the set 2 insights help her. Here the topics are segregated into three sets. The first set is the danger subjects. These are the subjects where Aditi has gone terribly wrong. If you look at the reason, you can see that she answered them using her knowledge of formulae, took more time, and still got these answers wrong. So, these subjects she needs to study thoroughly to improve her misunderstanding before learning anything else. These indicators also show that how many marks she would have gained by studying them thoroughly so that she can get enough reason to spend precious time on them. The second set shows the topics she can attend to if time permits. And the third set shows the topics she mastered and does not need to spend any further time on those topics. Aditi can also check subject-wise analysis of her answering approach. As you can see, certain subjects are answered primarily through random picking and some other through elimination. This gives a visual representation of where Aditi needs to invest her time. This information helps Aditi to strategize her preparation in a scientific manner. The third set of insights gives information on those questions that Aditi should avoid answering during the exam and those she should answer first. This way, she can devise an attempt strategy. Exam Play is the only platform that can give these rich insights for any mock test. And Aditi will be following these exact actions after seeing the report. She will invest her time in studying these topics thoroughly, and by doing so, she will be gaining 19 marks in her first attempt. While answering her next mock, Aditi will answer these questions first, and time permitting, she will try to answer these towards the last leg of her journey. Random picking actually worked for Aditi as she gained 12 marks through it. She attempted 23 questions and got 7 correct, hence gained 12 marks. She will see for a few more marks whether random picking is helping her or not and make a decision on using it for her final exam. You see, by using Exam Play, Aditi has great clarity on her preparation and answering strategies compared with those who did not use it. You can benefit from this too. Like Aditi, when you take more mock tests, you too can see your answering approach evolving over a period of time and can see how Exam Play helps you prepare and answer the test smartly with least effort. If you are wondering what magic we use to give you these insights, here it is. We use an innovative patent pending method to capture your answering approach. Once you choose an answer choice, 3 buttons pop up through which you can record your method of answering a question. This data applied to a set of questions of a mock test are run through some simple logic and proprietary algorithms to derive rich, personalized, actionable insights which will help you. Any suggestion you get comes along with a reason of why you should be doing it, hence, you can be confident about the actionable insights. With these insights, we are confident that you can improve your score tremendously. And even if you gain 1 mark, you will have a great competitive advantage. You see, last year, all those who scored 133 out of 720 did not qualify NEET as the cutoff was 134 marks. Even 1 mark matters a lot. If you are smart like Aditi and want to have a tremendous competitive advantage without any additional effort, start taking your mock test on Exam Play now. Strategize your exam prep with Exam Play. All the best.